In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to design eye-catching Facebook ads in Canva that actually grab attention, stop the scroll, and help you get more clicks and conversions. Whether you're promoting a product, a service, or your business, this step-by-step guide will help you create professional-looking ads even if you're a complete beginner. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll also show you the best export settings for maximum quality. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva and digital marketing tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1 is starting with the right size. This is extremely important because Facebook ads must be sized correctly to avoid awkward cropping or losing important text. Open Canva and click on Create a Design. For most ads, I recommend using 1080 by 1080 pixels, which is the square format. This performs really well in feeds. You can also choose 1080 by 1350 pixels for a vertical layout, which takes up more screen space on mobile. If you prefer a horizontal layout, choose 1200 by 628 pixels. You can also simply type Facebook ad into the search bar in Canva, and it will show you optimized formats instantly. Next, pick a high-converting template. Using a template saves you a huge amount of time and gives you a professionally designed layout with balanced spacing, strong typography, and effective color combinations. Once your blank canvas is open, click on Templates in the left panel. In the search bar, try terms like Facebook ad, sale ad, restaurant ad, real estate ad, or business promo, depending on your niche. Browse through the options and click on a template you like. It will instantly apply to your canvas, and now you have a solid starting point. Now let's replace the images with your own. Every great Facebook ad needs a strong visual. High-quality images build trust and grab attention immediately. To replace the template image, simply drag and drop your own image directly onto the existing photo. Canva will automatically swap it into the frame. You can double-click the image to adjust the crop and positioning. Make sure your product or subject is clearly visible and not cut off. Next, update the text with a clear hook. Facebook ads perform best with short, punchy text. Avoid long paragraphs. Focus on a 3 to 5 word headline, a short supporting subheading, and a clear call to action. For example, you could write, "Flash sale, 50% off today," or "New collection out now." Make sure your headline is bold and easy to read, even on a small phone screen. Keep contrast high between your text and background so it stands out immediately. After that, apply your brand color palette. Consistency builds brand recognition. In Canva, go to Styles and then Color Palettes to experiment with different combinations. If you have Canva Pro, you can use the Brand Kit to instantly apply your brand colors and fonts. Try to stick to 2 or 3 main colors to keep your design clean and professional. Now let's add visual attention grabbers, but use them sparingly. Too many elements can make your ad look cluttered and may even get rejected. Go to Elements and search for things like arrow, gradient circle, or sticker sale. You can also add simple shapes to highlight pricing or special offers. The key is to guide the viewer's eye towards your main message or call to action without overwhelming the design. Speaking of call to action, let's create a clear CTA button. Canva doesn't have clickable buttons for Facebook ads, but you can design one visually. Go to Elements, add a rectangle or rounded box shape, and place it near the bottom of your ad. Then add text like "Shop now," "Sign up," "Learn more," or "Order today." Use high contrast colors, for example white text on a dark background, so the button stands out clearly. Finally, export with the best settings. Click on Share, then Download. For most ads, choose PNG in high quality for a sharp, crisp image. If you created an animated ad, choose MP4 format instead. Make sure the resolution is set to high quality before downloading. And that's it. You now know how to design eye-catching Facebook ads in Canva step by step. With the right size, strong visuals, clear text, brand colors, and a bold call to action, you can create ads that look professional and drive results. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, design tutorials, and marketing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.